Welcome to Legacy Ice Academy. Today I am going to discuss an important topic of polity, that is a balance of right and the duties. Okay, so context of this video or this article is recently Union Law Minister advocated the need to find a balance between fundamental right and the duty for a country's progress during Constitution Day celebration. Okay, when we talked about political system of any country or political theory, here two things are there. One side we have a state and other side we have a citizen. Between state and the citizen there has to be a balance, and we have a fundamental right. This fundamental right somehow creating a balance between state and the citizens, because state is by default powerful. Okay, Afghanistan state, Saudi Arabia state, North Korea state, okay, Myanmar state is by default powerful. Okay, and when we talked about democratic state, in democratic state we have to empower the citizens to create a balance of power between state and the citizen. This balance of power comes when we are empowering our citizens with fundamental right. Whenever people enjoy fundamental right, it simply means that they are limiting the power of the state. So fundamental right somehow reducing or limiting the power of the state and increasing the power of the citizen and creating a balance in the country. But same time, whenever citizens enjoy their fundamental right, they must be aware about their duty. So duty, we can say that it is again creating a balance, because you have the fundamental duty, and without having duty you are enjoying the right. It may compromise rights of others. If people themselves want to enjoy their fundamental right, they have to follow certain duties. Or we can say that fundamental right itself has certain reasonable restrictions, and these reasonable restrictions are somehow creating the duty or fundamental duty. Now about the rights. Rights are intrinsic to humans or fundamental to humans. By born only we enjoy certain rights. We can say that human cannot exist without the right. We are give up their rights for national interest. Sometimes we are giving our right, or we are giving the power to the state so that a state can provide us security. So here we have to understand about right fundamental to any civilizations. Right represent the claim of individuals which are essential for his or her existence and development. Rights are very essential. As of now we have right to equality, right to liberty, right to freedom, right against exploitations, right against untouchability, right of cultural right, religious right. Those rights somehow make humans or make life I can say like that, because of these rights only we are enjoying our life also. And this include economic, social, cultural right recognized by a society or state through legal, social, ethical principle of freedom and or entitlement. The rights are very important for the individuals. About duties, when we enjoy the rights, it is not we have unlimited or absolute right. Unlimited or absolute right somehow compromise other rights, like we have right to freedom of speech and expression. In the name of freedom of speech and expression we cannot defame other. When we are defaming other, we are compromising their dignity. So we have to be very careful about while we are using our right. So here concept come about duty. Our duty toward nation, our duty toward society, our duty toward other individual. So this duty we should not forget. We have to understand, like we have a duty toward nation, toward society, toward other individual. This duty we should not compromise. Or duty of each person carries certain duty toward individual, society, nation, humanity as a part of society. So here we have to understand, as we enjoy fundamental right, we should follow certain duty also, and there has to be a balance between fundamental right and a duty. But here one thing we have to understand, whenever we are excessively focusing on duty, or we are telling that if you have fundamental right, you will also follow duty, that dichotomy is not good. We have fundamental right are independent, they are not dependent on the duty. We have to understand that aspect also, because our constitution maker did not put it any fundamental duty. Later on we have added fundamental right do not depend on the duty. That thing we have to understand. Here, what is the benefit when we are correlating our duties with our rights with duties, complementing nature? When we enjoy right, we have to follow certain duty, and when we are following certain duty, automatically we are respecting other rights also. Humanizing individuals' liberty. Here we can say that whenever we have a freedom of speech and expression, we have a liberty, and when we are using these rights, we should use these rights very carefully. We should not criticize our nation, we should not criticize the society, we should not criticize the other individuals. So we have to use our rights very carefully. Help state in performing duty, like as of now, parents has a duty to send their children to school. So somehow right to education can be achieved. So state can also use this duty to achieve its own goal. Avoiding narrow egoisms, like we should not only talk about right, we should also talk about duties of the people toward their nation, society and the individuals. Fundamental right cannot be exercised without duty. As I told, we have a reasonable restrictions. Reasonable restrictions are nothing but fundamental duty. If you are following reasonable restrictions, you are following fundamental duties. Same way, some issue may be arising. As I told, by born we need some fundamental right. It is not necessary we have to follow duty. Rights are not dependent on the duty. Certain human right, it is not like I will do something then I will get the right. It is my right to protect my privacy. It is my right to get quality environment. It is my right to get quality food, employment. They are not dependent on the duty. It is not necessary I have to perform duty, then only I am going to get these rights. So this nature of relationship we should not create. Like state should not say that okay, we are giving you the right, you should give some duty. Okay, as an individual we have to perform certain duty, but we cannot say that okay, right dependent on the duty. Certain right may be dependent on the duty, but it is not okay, when I will perform the duty then only I will get the right. It should not be like that. The same way, difference in the nature. So we have to understand fundamental rights and fundamental duty. Two are two different things. Certain rights exist without doing certain duty. Rights are precursors of the duty. Okay, rights are precursors of the duty. When we are creating this relationship, so we thought that okay, first of all we have to fulfill our duty toward the nation, then we are going to achieve our right. No, we should not create like that. In a democratic country or democratic state, individuals are independent. It is state duty to protect individual. It is not individual. Individual will do, but we cannot force them. Then different legal status. Okay, fundamental rights are enforceable, duties are not enforceable in a court of law. So we have to understand the thought of our constitution makers also. Risks of subordinations. As I told, we should not create a relationship. Okay, we know that duties are important, but we cannot say that okay, duties and fundamental right both are equal. It is not like that. So this relationship we can create, but we should not say that okay, both are important, but we cannot say both are equal. Now finally we can say that okay, human right and dignity. To preserve human right and dignity, a minimum balance alongside independent application should be maintained. We know that we are living in a society, we have to follow certain duty, but it is not necessary we have to equalize fundamental right or fundamental duty. We should not. Okay, both are there, both have to be there, but we should not always focus okay, fundamental right you will get only when you are following the duty. Meeting the minimum core right of each citizens, such as economic, social, cultural right of individual to ensure an adequate standard of living before any duty. Without duty also you have to ensure addressing poverty, providing employment, providing food, education. It is not the person cannot fulfill duty though you are not giving the food to the people. It is not like that. Then deepening root of the democracy to address fundamental issues of inequality, tolerance based on caste, creed, religion, region, minimizing risks of subordinations of the rights and maximizing possibility of fulfill the duties. So we have to impart the democratic spirit among the people. So these things we will keep in mind while considering rights versus duty. And again, thank you for watching this video.